agree.
Welcome back to the Cozy Coleman. We're going to show you how to hook up to the truck so you can get to your next camp spot. First thing we do is block your wheels, front and back, so that way there's no rolling of the trailer and you lose it chasing it down the street. So, first thing we need to do is put the hitch on the ball. So you'll lower it down. And once you kind of see it seat, slide that latch forward, take your safety pin, and pin the latch. Now, we need to hook the weight distribution bar up. So we're going to jack the trailer back up, taking the weight off to easily install the bar. You will notice it's going to bring the truck up also. Don't trip and fall. Take the round end of the bar. Slide it in. Take your pin. And you'll do the same on both sides. Now, if you've taken enough pressure off of it, it should just slide in to place. If not, keep jacking or use the tool to slide it into place. Once it's in place, take the L bracket and make sure it's positioned covering the top of the bar and pin it. Take your both safety chains, install to the truck. Take your plug it into the truck. And now you can lower your trailer. Do a final walk around of your trailer. I always double check all my work here. Weight distribution bar, hitch, chains, plug. Got all 4 stabilizers up. Move your wheel chocks. Sometimes you may need to move the truck back and forth a little bit. You got all your lights working. At this point, you will want somebody in the driver's seat to test out your brakes and turn signals, making sure they're all working. All the doors are locked and latched. Stairs are up. Locked and latched, stair up. Doors locked. Everything's looking good. Time to roll.